Hey, it's IT Guy Sav, and in today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Portable T7 Shield, and this is a 2 terabyte solid-state drive. Now, this solid-state drive is compatible with macOS, Windows, and Android. So let's go and check it out. Samsung Electronics, 3-year limited warranty. You get password protection, 3 meters drop resistance, water and dust resistance. Let's look on the other side. The performance, if you want to read, you can just take some time off to read that, or you can just freeze this video and it tells you the compatibility, box contents, performance, durability, and reliability. Wow. All right, so it's beautifully packaged, as I can see. It's really, really nice. Always like checking in to see if there's anything that I've left inside. But yeah, beautiful. Okay. Very good presentation. Just gonna open it this way. Yep. And the color I chose was a beige. Of course, you get it in different colors. You get it in navy blue, and I believe you get it in black as well. And you can check the colors on the website if you need to select a different color. But this is what it comes with. Okay, and so that's on the top. That's where your SSD is. Probably the USB-C cable that's inside. This is the star of the show, of course. Okay, it's super light. It's a lot lighter than the previous Samsung SSDs that I own, and it's the 2 TB model, which is awesome. It's really, really cool. Wow. It says here T7 Shield. It's very light. The moment you pick it up, it doesn't weigh a lot at all. It's really, really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it back in its little slot. Okay. Take this out with the packaging. Nothing cool. And this is what I see here. I'm gonna unbox this too. Of course, like I said earlier, we have the USB-C, the data cable. Okay, so this is USB-C to USB-C. Okay, and the second supply cable is, if you're using a USB-A to USB-C, so for example, your computer is USB-A and it's a 3.0 USB, and this will be to your USB-C. Perfect. So there's two types of cables, USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C. Simple packaging. I love the simplicity of it. And of course, it comes with the Samsung installation start guide, warranty statement, regulatory compliance. And that's pretty much it. The unboxing of the Samsung T7 Shield 2 terabyte solid state drive with the 2 data cables. So I hope you enjoyed watching that unboxing of the Samsung T7 Shield as much as I enjoy bringing it to you. Until my next video, you take care, and this is IT Guy Sav signing off, and I hope to speak to you soon in my upcoming videos. And tons of IT videos coming up, so you might want to subscribe to this channel and like, share, comment. Let me know your opinions on this Samsung SSD T7 Shield model.